Are online Quranic classes suitable for beginners? Online Quranic classes cater to learners of all levels, including beginners. The personalized approach allows beginners to learn at their own pace and receive individual attention from experienced teachers. For beginners, regardless of whether you have no prior knowledge of the Quran or are starting from scratch, online Quranic classes are tailored to create a supportive and nurturing atmosphere. How can I ensure the quality of Quranic education in online classes? Ensuring the quality of Quranic education in online classes is of utmost importance. When selecting an online Quranic learning platform or institute, it is recommended to consider factors such as the qualifications and expertise of the teachers, the curriculum and resources offered, and the feedback and reviews from past students. Additionally, it can be beneficial to trial a few classes or request a demo session to evaluate the teaching methods and communication between teachers and students. Can online Quranic classes accommodate different time zones? Yes, online Quranic classes are typically designed to accommodate learners from different time zones. You have the opportunity to select a time slot that aligns with your availability, as numerous online platforms provide flexible scheduling options. Whether you find yourself overseas or have a jam-packed agenda, virtual Quranic courses offer the convenience to delve into Quranic studies at your most convenient time. How do online Quranic classes ensure effective student-teacher communication? Online Quranic classes employ various technological tools and platforms to facilitate effective student-teacher communication. These can include video conferencing software, chat functions, and interactive learning resources.